Hi guys, so I'm feeling better now. It's just my nose and my my mouth because I don't know what happened to my nose and my mouth. So I'm wearing a Girl Scout. Look, look how close. See? And I got my Girl Scout scarf. You may wondering why it's yellow. At first, at daycare, it was pink, but now I'm grade 1, so it's already yellow. Look at the snakes, and that's my mom. Mama, say hi.
Hi.
Bro, that's it. And so here are my bracelets that my friends got me. I don't know why they give me all of these bracelets. Why do they think that
Because you
I'm
deserve, maybe.
maybe they're just trying to be nice, or they think I'm popular. Let's put these over here. But wait, to prove that your phone can do this, first like and subscribe random videos and press share, and then whatever it is, then something amazing will happen. It only works on expensive phones. Now let me show you the bracelets that they got. You can hear them, right? Yeah. But some of these two bracelets that I have, you can't really hear them because they're bouncy. They're like a spring. Okay, bye. And I like the video.